new lesson. All right? What does section 1 say we're talking about? Yeah, zero slope versus undefined. All right? A slope of 0 is going to look like this. Okay, it's flat. Can you have somebody walk across that? Yes. Can you walk across that? No, unless you're Spider-Man, right, or Superman. Okay? Then you can walk that, but right now we call this undefined, we call this 0. Number 1, it says sketch, by the way, this is a real star problem. Okay, it didn't say sketch a graph. It basically said, what are the domain and range of it? That was the actual question. But I gave you 3 things. I said, sketch a graph of it. Then I said, what are the domain and range of that? And then also, what is the slope of that? And what did I always say f of x means? Yeah, that's the y value, because y is a function of x. So, here's what somebody did. A y equals, all right, I'm going to go down here and clear this out. Y equals, they typed in a negative 37, all right, and they hit graph. Man, I don't see anything. What did I say? By the way, let's look at our table. Let's just look at our table. Look at our table. Huh. When x is 1, what's y equal to? When x is 2, what's y equal to? Wow, it seems like it's all equal to negative 37. By the way, go to your window. Go to your window. Let's change our window setting, okay? Let's change our y minimum to say, I don't know, negative 40. Okay? And change your y maximum to a positive 40. And instead of going up by 1s, let's go ahead and go up by 4s. Okay? Makes it a little bit easier. Let's hit graph. Wait a second. Now what do I see? Way down here. Y equals negative 37. Now this right here technically is at a 40. This one right here is at, sorry, negative 40 and a negative 36. But where is this line right there at? Y equals negative 37. So by the way, did you guys make a sketch of this graph? All right, let's make a sketch. Well, how do I make a sketch? Here's how you make a sketch. I'll show you how easy this is. All right, here we go. Just gonna make a little sketch. Does it have to be perfect? No. Let's make an x-axis and a y. There's my x-axis. There's my y-axis, also known as. All right, that's its alias. Okay. Now, I'm gonna make a line like this, perfectly flat. And I'm going to call that line, hey, Mr. Nude, I'm calling this f of x equals negative 37. It's way down here. What's that y-intercept at? It's at a 0, negative 37. So go ahead and make that sketch real quick. So now we're going to talk about 2 little concepts here called domain and range. Domain and range. Just remember, the domain stands for the set of your x values. Your range always stands for the set of your y values. Remember, x equals domain, y equals range. So let's take a look at this. Where are my x values heading? They're going way, way, way to the left to a concept called negative infinity. Where are they going to the right? Positive infinity. Which means, are there any x values that are being excluded? No, they're all being used. So our domain is considered to be all real numbers. Like, I don't get how all real numbers are being utilized here. Well, if you were to go to your little graphing calculator and hit second graph and just start scrolling,
It'll never end.
It'll never end. And if you go down, you're like, I don't believe you. I think you're lying. Okay, second window, I'm going to start at 1,000. Okay? Let's check it. Still at negative 37. Alright? It's never going to change. I'm just letting you know.
Well, you need
Yeah. Honestly, people, okay, let's check. That's 1 million. Okay, 1 million. Okay, let's go 1 million. Alright, check. Comma. Okay, 1 million. Let's look at the people, honestly. Oh my gosh, we're still at what? Minnie on vacation. Okay. I got a whole bag of with your name on it. Thank you. Alright. Now, come on, people, throw me a bone here. It's not that hard. Okay. By the way, what is, I'm sorry, I have to kill Mr. Kamoot. Dr. Equal is here. Alright? Now listen you math people. What is my y value always equal to?
Negative 37. By the way, when I say y is equal to the range, okay? Right. What's my range equal to? Right. That's why it's negative 37. Okay? Now, listen. I remember. It's ridiculous. Alright, I'm going to put this on pause for a second. Alright, we had to calm ourselves down just a second there. Now, the domain is all real numbers. Now, some of you might say x is simply an element of the real number system. So we say the set of all x values such that x is an element of the real number system. Over here, we'd say the set of all y values such that y is simply equal to negative 37. That's how you would write it in set notation. Interval notation, we'll talk about that in Algebra 2, but it's written like this. Heart bracket, negative 37, heart bracket. We'll get to that when you go to college algebra. Right now, all you need to know that it's all real numbers and negative 37. Oh, one thing before you leave. What is the slope? What's the slope of a flat line, people? 0. Your slope, put right here, put slope equals 0. By the way, if you have a heart monitor and that's what it looks like, you're dead.